Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on Utility Telecom's Accession meeting for desktop. To get started with your new Accession meeting subscription, launch the Accession Communicator application. Once you've launched and logged into your Accession Communicator app, you will notice the Meetings tab at the top of the app. Clicking on Meetings shows a few options including View Upcoming Meetings, View Recorded Meetings, Create a Meeting, Schedule a Meeting, and Join a Meeting. When you select Create a Meeting, a screen will pop up that allows users to invite contacts from their Accession Communicator contact list, or you can click on the Invite Others tab and select to send an email invite or send the meeting link directly to whom you'd like to chat with. You can even create a meeting with someone you're currently instant messaging. All you have to do is click on the video meeting icon up top. If you do not have a Accession Communicator, you can create meetings using your COM Portal account. Simply log into your account and at the top right-hand side of the menu bar, click on the Start tab for a drop-down list of options. When you click on Start a Meeting, an Accession meeting launcher will open in a new page. When you receive an incoming call, a pop-up screen will appear, showing you the person inviting you to the meeting. To schedule a meeting via Accession Communicator, go to the Meetings tab and select the Schedule a Meeting option. This pop-up will appear, allowing you the option to change the meeting topic name, schedule the time and date, and the duration of the meeting. Additional settings include video options, audio options, meeting options, and which calendar you'd like to sync the meeting to. When you're in a meeting with your microphone and webcam set up, you'll be able to see yourself in the meeting. As you can see, mine isn't set up, but you can still see my icon. And at the bottom of the meeting page, you'll be able to access the menu options. The Invite button allows you to invite more people to the meeting using either your contact list or with a link. The Manage Participants button allows you to view participants in the meeting, chat with individuals, make people a host, allow specific participants to record, or rename display names, or even remove users. The Screen Share button allows for screen sharing with meeting participants. You can choose to display your desktop screen, a specific tab, or even a whiteboard mode. While in Screen Share, users can pause their screen and allow for annotations, and even allow specific users remote control over the screen. The Chat option allows users to instant message members in the meeting. Users can either send an instant message to all members or to specific members only. The Record button allows users to record the meeting. Hosts can choose to enable or disable this feature for meeting attendance. The Support button features Request Desktop Control, Request Application Control, and Request Computer Restart, allowing users to have hands-on control while troubleshooting. If you have any questions that couldn't be answered through this video or through the Help section of the Support tab, we are here to help. You can go to our customer care page for more how-to guides or contact us at 877-965-7800.